Something went wrong. Hi, this is Akash, and my project's name is Something Went Wrong. Modern software, however advanced it becomes, realistically we can never account for all the failing cases. More often than not, system encounters a failing case where we must say something went wrong to the user. The user is in dilemma. Is it my fault? Is it the system's fault? What should I do? This in turn leaves a negative impression of the platform in user's mind. Solution to this would be to comfort the user with accurate information which makes it clear who is at fault and what we can do to mitigate the current situation, rather than hope of working just if just tried a moment later. Let's imagine a scenario of a store application. It's a decently made application receiving significant traffic. The devs have set up a dynatrace for observability in place. A user selects things to buy, puts them in the cart, and goes to make a payment. Something goes wrong, something went wrong, please try again later. The causes can be many. The payment service might be down, there might be the stock that user was trying to buy went out of stock, there can be application wide failure. User doesn't know. In comes our ADK built dynatrace powered agent. The agent immediately recognizes that some failure has occurred. Based on the failure info received from the backend, it creates an initial comforting response to the user and starts to analyze the failure behind the scenes with dynatrace. It probably sees that many payment failures are occurring of the payment provider. It probably sees an inventory issue. It conjures a second response which clearly explains the user what is at fault. With that information, user can make a sound decision and would not feel unsafe using the website. The system design is simple to understand. Our ADK agent received an incident from the backend. Based on that incident, it prepares an initial explanation to calm the user that the problem has been noted. It then uses a smart logic, queries dynatrace, and once it is sure what has happened, it sends a second response back to the backend. Let's see it with an example. There are many embedded in this project. I'll show you just one. Let's say I'm a customer, I picked up my things, my address is in, and I go for payment. Something went wrong. This is where the user feels uncomfortable. Our agent takes a few seconds to do the preliminary analysis from the application error that it received. If we go to the agent platform, we can see a session has been created. The agent then connects to Dynatrace MCP server and tries to understand the root cause. If we see in Dynatrace, we can see a problem has been created by an anomaly detector. Our current session will recognize that the payment problem is widespread and notify the user so. In Dynatrace, we also track the agents, so all can be tracked in one place. If we go back to the user screen, we can see that the user has been comforted with the correct information. This system can be used in all kind of applications where inherent mistakes of applications can be solved. Goal is user retention, reducing frustration, and being more truthful. That's something went wrong for you. Thank you.